Viettiles, preserving the value of traditional handicrafts. Amidst the rush of modernity, some values deserve to be cherished and preserved. Every tile from Viettiles is not just a building material but also a piece of art, shaped by skilled hands and carrying the story of sustainability. Without thermal firing, without the haste of industrial production, each encaustic cement tile, ventilation tile, and terrazzo tile from Viettiles is handcrafted with dedication. Our artisans carefully mix colors, pour molds, and press tiles with precision, every step reflecting a deep appreciation for craftsmanship. More than just construction materials, our tiles embody a story of sustainability, where people respect nature, protect the environment, and still create spaces filled with artistic charm. We take pride in seeing Viettiles products become part of beautiful projects, shaping living spaces, and leaving a lasting impression over time. Thank you to those who love beauty, appreciate craftsmanship, and value sustainability for walking this journey with Viettiles.